Hi everyone. In this video, I will introduce you to a website. It's called Orbitview. So it's called orbitview.tm2.space. Here you can get access to satellite to take the real-time footage of anywhere around the planet. So when the satellite passes through various locations around the world, you can set the capture image of that particular location. You can specify a particular area that you want the picture to be taken. It will take that picture for you. So if you come here, you can see these are the various locations. See, this is the island that is there. So this is Mount Everest. So these are some popular locations that is there. Now if I want to go to any other location that I want to take a picture of, so let's say I want to go to Varanasi. Okay, so now I say Varanasi. So this is the recent image that is available here in Varanasi. So I can zoom into this area. So this is the location. So this is the current satellite that is available. So the access is restricted in my case, but if you go here and say what is the purpose of having an account here, it will activate it, and after that I can buy credits. So you see this minimum 5 purchase credit is required. So based on the credits I can take pictures. Okay, so it is restricted for now, so that they want to check the rightful use of this. But if you go to settings and you can enable it, then you should be able to get full access to the subscription. Now if you look at it, this is the account. This is the account that is created. I'll come here. So these are the photos of different locations that people have taken. Okay, so now let me go back and show you how you can take pictures of particular locations. So I can search for any location. So let me stick to Varanasi itself, because that is something which I have. So capture frequency in this location is once per year, once per month, right? So this is a single photo. So recent image is within 30 days is what it is said in this location, right? So now if I want to capture your first image from this location, your photo capture has been scheduled successfully from this location. Now if I go here, I can see. So it will go to this location and take the photo when the satellite is coming in that location. Now if I want to capture the image even quicker, like within the 24 hours or 48 hours, then I would need to pay credits to do that. So now you're saying it's processing it. So this is the recent archived image. The image is an archived image from satellite records. So this is the satellite. Okay, so now let's go to some other location. So that is scheduled. It's loading the orbital track. So this is how the satellite is going. That's why it is asking me for this different location. So let's go to this location. Okay, as you can see, now if I say this is East Java, right? Capture the location. Okay, so now I'm saying if I want to capture a time lapse, like every year or every once a month, I am saying I need a single capture for this location. So for that, I need to select, this is the recent capture, recent image. Now if I want to capture it on this day, at this point of time, I can schedule it and say ready for second capture. Okay, so if I schedule it, your photo capture has been scheduled successfully, but it will not work because I don't have credits. So you see this? This has worked because it has been actual capture time when the satellite captured this image. See, this has worked. So I can get the satellite image for this location. This is how Varanasi looked at that point of time. Actual capture time when the satellite captured this image. So this has been scheduled. Next capture is this. Your requested time for capture of this image. Now if I want to some other location, let's say Kannur, right? I don't know why this search is not working here. So this is the restricted access. You are exploring the Orbitview in restricted beta mode. To unlock full access to all features, to improve the data frequency, I should mention why I need that kind of access. Okay, so that is the reason. Now let me go to the location, try to capture an image of Kannur, how it looks. So the recent image is within 30 days. So ready for the second capture. Your photo capture has been scheduled successfully. So let's see when will it capture it. So these are the photos from across the world, as you can see here. This is captured by this user. So this is captured. See, this is how Kannur looks. This is the clouds. Today we have clouds here. So my credits have been all exhausted. Now if you look at it, so 2 AI enhanced. So this is captured at 5:30 p.m. when the actual satellite actually captured this image. See, this is how it looked. So in this way I can capture any location around the world, and I can use credits to see, or I could schedule time lapse to see how the place looks over a period of time. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.